Take one. In this video, we're going to have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton that I purchased online through Fablina. You remember her from the experience that I have had with her. She's a famous Instagrammer from Louis Vuitton. She's my good friend and client advisor from Louis Vuitton Rodeo Drive. So check this out. Package from Louis Vuitton Rodeo Drive, and then this one came this week, and I really wanted this one because I really need this one for my phone, and I think that this is really a useful one because what happens with me is that I tend to buy things from Louis Vuitton that I think I'm able to use on everyday basis, that it's not just going to be stagnant in the house and stuff like that, or you're just going to display it in the house. So that's for me. And then we're going to open this box. Oh my goodness. And there you go. So let me see what she's so nice because look at this little thing. She even put the little bag. She even put the little bag inside. It's so cute, right? And then, of course, it comes with the receipt, which is folded on this one. And then this is her name, Pablina Hill from Louis Vuitton. There you go. It's Pablina. Shout out to my lovely Pablina. Oh, and then if you're going to check this out, this one is really nice because Louis Vuitton inside the box, it's personalized Louis Vuitton. So that's really nice. This is what I got. Do you have any idea what is this one? Do you have any idea? Oh my goodness, let's see. I'm so excited. We'll open this up. So it's a pull drawer and we have a little dust bag. Oh, she's already included this one too. So this one comes with the gift tag if you want to give that one to somebody, and then it comes with the booklet. So there's the booklet. I think this one is to how to use it and stuff like that. So that's that. Look at this one. This is really cute. So I can really add that one on my my collection again. So yeah, and this is what I got, a little dust bag. Do you have any idea what's this one? I'm so excited. Oh, and there you go. It's the Louis Vuitton. Let's see. It's the phone ring. It's so cute in silver. So this is the phone ring monogram, and then I'm going to show it to you how I'm going to use this. So the good thing about this one is that it does have the monogram all over that, and then if you can see on this, it's engraved there that it's Louis Vuitton. So there's a million suction cups in there that it will suck the back of the phone, and it is for my phone because, so there you go. And then here's my phone in here. I'm going to show it to you. How am I going to put this one on my phone right now? I'm using my phone because that's what I use on my videos. But look at this one. It's so gorgeous and it's so pretty. I'm going to put down on the side how much is this gonna be so that you have any idea on that. Because with me, I don't want to use anything like the covers. The covers is around 385, and then with the changing of the phones and stuff like that, every year I change phone. I'm not gonna be able to keep up with that, and then I don't want to change the $345 or 300 something dollars phone cases from Louis Vuitton. So this one is good because I can just take this off from one phone to another, and then I'm going to be, so it is really versatile, and it's really heavy. So I really like the color. It comes in gold and silver. So if you like this type of thing, I used a cheaper version of this one that I got from a flea market, and it's good, it's effective for me. I tried it for a year now, and then it's working for me, but I just need to upgrade that with this one. So that's what I did. And so this is that, just to show it to you. And then that one, Louis Vuitton, it's so cute. And then so that's what I'm going to use for. And then when I do travel, when I'm watching YouTubes like you guys, when I watch your channels, your videos, I want this one to be settled like up in the on the table and stuff, so it will anchor it on the table, it will let it stand on the table by itself, so which is really nice. And then sometimes on the plane I hook it up on the latch of the table, so that I'm just sitting there and watching. So that's what I do. That's why I know this is going to be effective for me. This is going to be a useful thing for me because I use this one all the time. So I hope that you like this video. Give us a give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, if you find this one useful. And thank you for everything. I really want to thank you all. Because of you, I'm here today, and I encourage you to really do this one too. This is fun thing that if you're bored at home, if you're not doing anything, this is a really good one for you to be able to do, because it's kind of like sharing. I share some stuff with you and you share some stuff with me, so which is really nice. It's kind of like I have a friend online. So which is really cool. So like always, thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe and hit the notification button so you know that you will notified about the new videos that I will be posting. I post every Sunday at 10 a.m. in the morning. I will see you again. If you do have any questions, suggestion, violent reaction, comment below, and I want to hear all those. Thank you very much. I will see you again. Do what makes you happy. This is Charles, California. I will see you again. Bye.